Welcome to this tutorial on how to open an account on Robinhood. Robinhood is a popular investing app that allows you to buy and sell stocks, options, and other securities with no commission fees. To get started, you will need to download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you have downloaded the app, tap on the Sign Up button to begin the account opening process. You will be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to create a password for your account. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal and financial information, including your social security number and employment status. This information is required by regulatory agencies to verify your identity and ensure that you are eligible to open a brokerage account. After providing the required information, you will need to link a bank account to your Robinhood account. This will allow you to fund your account and start investing. You can link a bank account by selecting your bank from the list of available options or by entering your bank account and routing numbers manually. Once you have linked a bank account, you will need to verify your identity by answering a few questions. This is a standard security measure to prevent identity theft and ensure that your account is secure. After verifying your identity, you will be able to fund your account and start investing. You can fund your account by transferring money from your linked bank account or by setting up a recurring investment schedule. You can also set up a brokerage account, individual retirement account, or a custodial account, depending on your investment goals and needs. Finally, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the Robinhood account agreement. This agreement outlines the rules and regulations of using the app and the services provided by Robinhood. That is it. You have now successfully opened an account on Robinhood. You can start investing in stocks, options, and other securities with no commission fees. Remember to always do your research and invest wisely. And never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also important to note that Robinhood is a self-directed brokerage firm, which means that you will be responsible for making your own investment decisions. If you are new to investing, it may be helpful to start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investment portfolio over time. By following these steps, you can easily open an account on Robinhood and start investing in the stock market. Remember to always follow best practices and invest responsibly.